Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front license plate bracket, power sunroof, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.